Morning, class 2. For today's review activity, we're going to be counting up in lots of 50. Now, if you can't count up in lots of 50s, don't worry about it. I'll teach you an easy way right now. Let's practice counting up in 5s first. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We could be counting 5 lots of dice. We could be counting in 5 lots of oranges. We could be counting in 5 lots of sweeties. Or we could be counting in 5 lots of 10. 5 lots of 10 is 50. Okay, let's practice counting up in 50s right now. Remember, class 2, it's just the same as counting up in 5s, except in counting instead of 5 1s, we're counting up in 5 10s. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. There's a pattern to it which you should be able to identify pretty easily. Remember, if you can't identify the pattern, then you could start on 50 and use your fingers to help you count. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 150. 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Clear? Lovely. Right, let's move on to our main teaching and learning activity for today. So for our main teaching and learning activity, you're going to be, just going to show you your learning intention for today's work. Goodness me, I've got so many slides on this thing. Let's go. Okay, so for today's learning, you're going to be learning how to count in halves and how to record it as a mixed number and an improper fraction. Gosh, it sounds complicated. We're going to start with step 1, which is counting as before. So here I've got a whole circle, which I'm going to break into 2 parts, which makes it into halves. We're going to count how many halves we have there. We have 1 half and 2 halves. We've got 3 halves and 4 halves and 5 halves and 6 halves and 7 halves and 8 halves and 9 halves. 9 halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 halves, which we write like this. 9 halves. Okay? 9 halves. Step number 2. Stop right now. Oh, we've done that already. Step number 3, we're going to write our equal sign. Equal sign goes just there. Oh gosh, that's a wonky equals. Good. Now we're going to write it as a mixed number. Okay, a mixed number. So basically what that means is how many wholes and how many halves do we have? So let's put our parts together. We've got 1 whole there. 2 wholes. 3 wholes. 4 wholes. And 1 half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wholes and 1 half, which we're going to write like this. 4 wholes and 1 half. Good luck!